Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Myprotein. We'll explore their core offerings, nutritional philosophies, and target audiences to help you decide which brand best suits your needs. Whether you're looking for a complete meal solution or targeted sports nutrition, understanding their differences is key. We'll cover their product ranges, ingredient quality, and overall value, providing a clear picture for your dietary choices. Huel excels in providing nutritionally complete food. Their products, like Huel powder and ready-to-drink, are formulated to deliver a balanced profile of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and all 27 essential vitamins and minerals. This makes them ideal for busy individuals seeking convenient, wholesome meals. Huel also emphasizes sustainability and plant-based ingredients, offering a comprehensive dietary solution for many. Myprotein, on the other hand, is a powerhouse in sports nutrition. Their extensive range includes various protein powders, such as Impact Whey Protein and Vegan Protein Blend, along with creatine, pre-workouts, and vitamins. Myprotein is perfect for those looking to optimize their athletic performance, build muscle, or aid recovery. They offer a wide array of flavors and formulations to suit diverse fitness goals and dietary preferences. So which one is better? It truly depends on your individual goals. If you need a convenient, balanced meal solution that covers all your nutritional bases, Huel is an excellent choice. If your focus is on specific fitness goals, like increasing protein intake, muscle building, or enhancing athletic performance, Myprotein offers a specialized and extensive product line. Both brands deliver quality, just for different purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.